What's going on, stackers? How you doing? Are you doing good? I hope you are. I hope you're stacking that profit. If you're not, well, stay tuned because I've got some great passive income ideas that you can start doing today to stack that profit. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out all different types of videos showing you how to start making money online. So go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So, what are these 5 business ideas that you can start doing today to start generating that passive moolah? Well, #1 is start creating digital products and put them on JVZoo, either JVZoo or Warrior Plus. Now, the main reason for this is affiliates can market your product for you, which in return gives you passive income. Now, there's a lot of moving parts to this, and I'm not going to go into an in-depth tutorial on JVZoo or how to set all of this up, but just know this. If we scroll down here, you can see these today's top sellers. Now, the main reason these are top sellers is because there's a bunch of affiliates selling these products for the product creator. And then every time these affiliates sell that product, they obviously make a commission for doing so. That's why it's affiliate marketing. But the creator of the product gets passive income just for being the creator and having people sell their product. So this is pretty powerful. This is something I would love to get into somewhere down the line, maybe some kind of software like this one. This is a real good, easy to use software that creates ebook covers. So every time someone sells this for the product creator, that product creator is going to make passive moolah. So this is one great way to make passive income. Now, with all these links, these websites that I am going to show you, I am going to leave links in the description so you can go through and check it out. Now, the second way is selling an online course. Now, there's plenty of platforms you can do this on, one of them being this, Udemy. But I'm sure you have some kind of knowledge in your noggin, in your head, that someone will pay you for. So all you have to do is create a course around what you know, and you can sell that. Now, if you were to sell it on Udemy, Udemy is a great platform, but honestly, you're not going to get much for your course because they always have promotions on in Udemy, which means you can literally get any course for under £20, under $20, even sometimes $10. So building a course and selling it on Udemy, just know that you're not going to get much money for it. What you should be doing is using a different platform, something like Thinkific. So with Thinkific, you can upload, make your course on this platform, and then charge whatever you want for your course, or whatever you feel like the value is worth. See, selling it on Udemy is great because there's traffic already built into this platform. There's a lot of people that use Udemy to come and find courses that they can take. So the traffic is already here. Whereas using a different platform like Thinkific, you have to market your course by yourself because there's not any real built-in traffic with this platform. Now, if you've watched any of my other previous videos in the past, you'll know that the easiest way to sell stuff online is to go where there's already traffic built into that platform. And Udemy is a great one. So that's another great way that you can create passive income, because once you've created that course and put it on Udemy, it's there forever and people can just find it, buy it, go through the course, and job done. Obviously, it does take a little bit to maintain it, but it is literally passive income, and that's why courses are second on my list. Now, the third way is by going to Flipper. So flipper.com. Now, this is an online marketplace where you can buy domain names, websites, apps, so much online real estate that you can buy here. Now, if you've got the money, you can already buy websites on this platform that already have revenue coming in. So these websites are already making money, but the owner wants to sell it. So if we go to the marketplace, we can have a little look. So you could buy a website which is producing $1,000 a month, buy that website, and as soon as you've brought it and everything's been transferred over, you automatically start getting that $1,000 each month, because Flipper is the online platform to buy and sell online businesses. So if we have a little look, we can see here, this is a private listing. Let's have a look at this one, regiswebdesign.com, internet marketplace, and the revenue is $9,000. So as you can see, the asking price is 30 grand. But you could find a website that's producing $100 a month, possibly spend $1,000, and boom, you have that income coming in each and every month. Now, if you wanted to build out a portfolio of websites, you could buy your first website for, say, $1,000, $2,000. Then you got that money coming in every single month. Then you use that profit to go and buy more websites and just keep it going like that. So you're always using your profit to buy new income producing websites. So this is the third way. This is Flipper. You can actually even do this with apps. So if we go to assets just here, like there, it says apps. So you can buy these apps that are already generating cash flow and keep buying apps every single month with that cash flow. Now, talking about apps, this brings me on to my fourth way to make passive income, which is building apps. Now, these days, you don't even need to know anything about coding to develop an app. This is appypie.com. You can use this website to actually build apps. Then with those apps, you can charge to download, which you can do on the App Store or in Google Play, or you can have ads within the apps. So you have a free app which you give away on one of those platforms, but then you have ads inside the app, and that's how you make money. And again, that is actually pretty passive. Quite easy to do. There would be a bit of a learning curve to actually do this, but imagine having 20, 50, 100 apps which all produce $20 to $100 a month. That passive income is going to build up really, really fast. Then once it has generated quite a good amount of cash flow, you can even go ahead and sell them on Flipper. So that's the fourth way to build apps and generate passive income. Now, the fifth way is with Kindle Publishing. So with Kindle Publishing, you'll be publishing books on Kindle. This can be done in any niche that you want. Then every time that that book sells, you make a commission or a royalty for having that sale. Now, you can make a hell of a lot of money through Kindle Publishing. There's a lot of people out there that do this, and you don't actually have to create the books yourself. You can completely outsource it to a ghostwriter. Now, if you want to learn more about Kindle Publishing, which you should because it is a great business model, then head on over to Project Life Mastery. Now, Stefan has had a Kindle Publishing course out for years called K-Money Mastery, and it is an amazing course. So go over to here, find where he's selling it, have a little look and see if you're interested. Or if you can't afford to buy the course, then just start learning on YouTube or Google, because there's a lot of information out there. But if you want to speed that up, then go ahead and buy his course and start creating Kindle books, because that is going to create you a lot of passive income. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.